Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Let me introduce myself. I am Sonali, a cloud and DevOps engineer with 2.7 years of experience in the IT industry. I started my journey as a DevOps engineer at WNS, where I worked extensively on automating a deployments, managing a cloud infrastructure, and streamlining a DevOps processes. So currently I'm working with CareerByteCode platform where we are not just training but transforming the careers through this platform. I have privileged of mentoring of 100 plus professionals one to one and guiding over 1,000 plus students in cloud and DevOps field. At CareerByteCode, our vision is to uplift the professionals, helping them to grow in their salaries and explore the alternative income sources like a freelancing. We believe that cloud and DevOps are not just skills but powerful tools that unlock your career growth and financial independence. So, this is my LinkedIn details. You can get touch with me through these details and other details as well here. So, let's deep dive into today's use case. So, today we are going to see deploying a web application through the Azure Virtual Machine. So why this use case is needed? For those business owners who are looking for scalable, secure and flexible application deployment, this is useful for that. So we are going to create one virtual machine over here, and in that virtual machine we are going to install one web server, and in web server we are going to host our application in the web server. Like we can host, use a Nginx or Apache, anything you want as per your choice. Okay, so let's go step by step. So I have created here one virtual machine. Previously I'm considering that you have the knowledge, basic knowledge of Azure portal. So I'm connecting this virtual machine through the mobile app station SSH. My username is learning I have given while creating my virtual machine. I accept it, and my password is @@12345. Okay. So I'm logging as a root now. So first I'm going to update my virtual machine. apt update. After completion of update, I am going to install a web server. I have created a Ubuntu virtual machine, so I am going to use Apache Group web server over here. So if you are using CentOS or Linux virtual machine, you can use HTTPD web server. Okay, so let's start. apt-get install Apache 2 space -y. It is getting installed. And while creating this virtual machine, I have opened the port 80 and 443, that is the HTTP and HTTPS. So let's check our application is, our web server is installed successfully. So yes, our web server is installed successfully. So now we are going to host our own application. So to do that, we have to go configuration settings, cd /var /www /html ls. Here is index.html file is present. So we are going to change this index.html. So if you want, you can edit this file. I'm going to delete this file and I'm going to create a new file over here. So for deleting this file, I'm rm space rf index.html. So let's check. So file is deleted successfully. So I'm creating now vim index.html. So I'm considering like you have a vim editor basic knowledge. I'm going into insert mode. So just I'm copy pasting a little bit code to change this application. So let's save and exit. Okay, check our file is created or not. Okay, file is created. Let's check it's working or not. Yeah, it's working successfully. So whatever we have done, it's showing. So our website deployment has been done successfully. So whatever you are created the resources, after completion of your use case, you can go to the all resources and delete all your resources which you created. Yes, select here and delete.